Now, massive political controversy has erupted over the Bengaluru stampede, where 11 people lost their lives during Royal Challengers Bengaluru's IPL victory celebration. After former Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa targeted the Congress government in Karnataka over the stampede, alleging insufficient security and arrangements at the cricket stadium. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said such things happen before name-dropping Kumbh Mela. Siddaramaiah said that 50 to 60 people died in the Kumbh Mela that was held in Uttar Pradesh, which has a BJP government. Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka State, D.K. Shivakumar, also lashed out at opposition for doing politics over dead bodies.
Adala, I don't want to speak politics, dirty politics. Our Yavatunu, BJP and JDS always place politics on dead bodies. That is their life, this one. Their agenda, political agenda. But they should see what they have done.
The tragedy unfolded on Wednesday, injuring many. Hospital officials from Boring to Lady Curzon Hospital had said that they received 18 injured persons and 6 bodies.
Yesterday, because of RCB stampede celebration incident, we have received about 18 patients and 6 dead bodies. All 6 dead bodies we have received as brought dead. So, among 18 patients, so most of the patients taken, 8 patients taken outpatient treatment and they went home happily. And other 10 patients we have admitted for observation. Among 10 patients, 3 patients were the orthopedic patients. They have sustained fractures of both bones of the leg. So we are preparing them for surgery today. And other small injury cases, about 7 cases, almost they have discharged. One boy is by name Bilal. He is taking treatment at the pediatric ward. He has got some right eye subconjunctival hemorrhage.
Now, police claim free passes, overcrowding and confusion over victory parade led to the stampede. The chaos began as several cricket enthusiasts without entry tickets tried to enter the stadium premises with those who had valid tickets. Over 2 to 3 lakh people came to attend the celebration at the stadium against its capacity of 35,000 people. The Karnataka government has ordered a magisterial inquiry to probe the matter. RCB ended an 18-year wait for the coveted IPL trophy, defeating Punjab Kings by 6 wickets in the finals of IPL 2025 on Tuesday. Their win has been overshadowed by this tragedy. Taking cognizance, the Karnataka High Court will hear the matter as well. For more on this, a correspondent Prashobh has sent us this report from Boring Hospital in Bengaluru. Listen to this.
I am standing in Vidhan Soda, which is the Secretariat of the state, wherein in couple of hours there will be a high-level cabinet meeting which is scheduled for today. In this cabinet meeting, there will be a high-level discussion on the recent stampede issue which happened in Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bengaluru. Home Minister, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister will be chairing this cabinet meeting. Lot of questions are being arised during the investigation. Was the permission denied by the police, or did the RCB management put out a social media post wherein saying inviting all the fans for the event without prior permission from the police department? Also, was there any political pressure on the police department to conduct the event? So these are the most likely questions, and also expectedly opposition parties BJP and JDS are demanding resignations from Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. However, questions are being asked, even though if those questions are answered, the lost lives are not to be returned. Reporting from Bengaluru with video journalist Deepak, Prashobh Devnalli, WION World is One.